Most students translate a lot when learning English instead of thinking in English. Today's challenge will help you change that habit. Hello, it's Keith from the Keith Speaking Academy. Today, I will show you how to start thinking in English from A1 level right up to C2 level. Different strategies for different levels. I challenge you to try this for the next few days and let me know how it goes. Let's begin. A1 beginner. Hello. How are you? Now, look at something and say it in your head. A cup. A pen. A phone. Use adjectives. A black pen. A nice cup. A blue phone. Imagine you are a child. Everything is amazing. Wow, a beautiful cup. Water, I'm thirsty. Wow, delicious. This is good at home, alone, and when you are waiting and bored. In the bank, in the shop, in the office. Try it. Next, A2 beginners. Hi, are you good? Okay, you describe every action, doing words, in your head. I'm walking. I'm stretching. I'm rolling my shoulders. I'm taking a cup. I'm drinking. I'm putting the cup down. Okay? Imagine you are a YouTube influencer recording everything in your head. B1 students, intermediate. Okay, how's it going? Great. Now for you, in the morning, describe in your head your day ahead, what you're going to do. Ask yourself, what am I going to do? First thing in the morning, in bed, in the shower, on the toilet. Think, what am I going to do? I'm going to work after breakfast. I've got a meeting with Barry. We might have lunch together. Oh, I've got the dentist in the afternoon. Okay. In the evening, in bed, in the shower, on the toilet, describe in your head what you did. I went to work in the morning. I had a meeting with Barry. We didn't go for lunch in the end. And then, I went to the dentist. Got it? That's it. And here's a tip for you. Try mumbling. Mumbling is speaking quietly, very little. A bit like this, when you're thinking, what am I going to do today? Yeah, I'll do that. I'll go to the bed. I'll do that. Oh yeah, and then I'll have them. So, as well as thinking, you can mumble, because mumbling activates your mouth muscles. You'll notice your thinking voice is more fluent than your spoken voice. mumbling can help. Let's move on. Now, this video is a challenge to you to get thinking in English. Remember, translating is useful sometimes, but not too much. If you're always translating when you're speaking, it affects your fluency, and you're going to be making more mistakes, basically. Thinking in English helps fluency, helps your overall English. If you want to do the challenge and carry on practicing, download the PDF. Gives you a summary of all of these tips by level and lots more tips to get you thinking in English. Download that. For the moment, though, the link's in the description. For the moment, let's get to the next level, which I think is B2. Right, B2, upper intermediate. How are you doing? So for you, I want you to do some silent reading. A book, newspaper, blog post. As you read, reflect, think about what you are reading and reflect in your head. Reading is really good because it's passive, so you're already in your head and you're having like a dialogue in your head with the author, right, who wrote it. As you're reading, imagine it's a novel or a book, whatever. You can think about your opinion, if you agree or disagree. What would you do? Anything. And at the end, when you finish, summarize in your head. Okay? It might look like this. Oh, that's interesting. Oh yeah, that's true. That happens to me too. Oh no, don't. Are you crazy? Don't go down to the cellar. So this guy gets home late. It's dark. He drops his key. He hears a noise and he goes down to the cellar to investigate. And there you have it. Now, reading is great. Equally good is listening to a podcast because, again, it's passive. You're having this dialogue in your head with the speaker in the podcast. You can do the same thing. You can be giving your thinking of your opinion. Do you agree? What would you do? And then at the end of the podcast, summarize. So either silent reading or listening to a podcast. That is your challenge to think in English. A quick word of warning and a tip. Keep it as simple as possible, your thinking. It's very easy to start thinking about, what does that word mean? Vocabulary. I'll just check. Forget about vocabulary and grammar. Focus on fluent thinking. Just getting your ideas. It's about thinking. It's not about vocabulary. So kind of avoid the dictionary for this activity. Okay? That's it. Right, C1, advanced learners. Sup. So your challenge is to do some dubbing. I want you to dub a clip of a film or a TV series. For some people watching may not know, dubbing is where you put another voice on top of a film clip. For example, in Spain, you can watch an English film, but they put a Spanish voice on top so people understand. That's dubbing. So you are going to be the dubbing artist. You're going to watch something for a minute or two, mute it. So it doesn't matter on the language because you're muting it. But then you imagine in your head and you think and you make up the dialogue. It can be quite fun and interesting. You can say anything, but try and sync your voice with their voice. Do it once for about a minute. Then with the same program, do it again. Do it several times. And try and do it for a longer period each time. All the time, not speaking, just thinking the dialogue in your head. Try it out. It might look something like this. There you go. Try it out. Let me know in the comments what film or TV series you used for your dubbing and how it went. Okay, finally, C2, we've arrived. Proficient learners. All right, good. So thank you for waiting to getting here. Your challenge is this. I want you to listen to some music without words or lyrics. So it could be classical music, meditation music, that kind of lofi style music. Okay, listen to the music and then 1, think of a problem. 2, think of how you feel about the problem. 3, think of solutions to the problem. Okay, 1 problem, 2 feeling, 3 solution. The key question for you is, how can I handle this? And that's what you're thinking. Do it for 2 or 3 minutes and see how it goes. It might look something like this. The problem. This morning, I found an empty cigarette packet in the garden next to the neighbour's wall. He smokes like a chimney. Maybe he threw it into my garden. The feeling, I feel a bit frustrated and annoyed about it. He may have done it intentionally or maybe without thinking. Solutions. I could just pick it up and put it in the bin. I could go round and ask him if it's his. I could spy on him and check if it's the same brand. Or I could just throw it over the wall back into his garden. I'll think more about it. That's it for C2 learners. Let me know in the comments what music you chose to do this and how it went. That's it. So are you going to take the Think in English challenge? Here's what you need to do. First, download the PDF. There are actually 3 activities per level. I've put in extra activities for you, okay? Make it more interesting. Second, decide your level and choose 1 activity. Third, practice it just 5 to 10 minutes a day over 7 days and see how it goes. Most importantly, let us know how it went. You can post your feeling, your results on hashtag Think in English Challenge on Instagram or Facebook. So, are you ready to take the challenge? Whatever your level, have a go. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope this helps you on your journey to fluency and being a confident speaker of English. I look forward to seeing you very, very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.